Hi guys, my name is Klebe and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, please. It helps out a lot. To know when I upload, because I can never stick to a consistent schedule ever, turn on my bell for notifications so you know, or just follow all my social medias in the description below and you find out that way. But turn on my bell too, why not? And comment on the video, say hey, what's up? Do it. Please. Please do it. Anyways, I haven't filmed in so long and this feels so good. So hi. Very happy. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now again and do the video. Sorry I kind of look like a skeleton. I was filming an Instagram video. Like a makeup thing. And I'm going out tonight, so I'm filming 2 videos and you're gonna have to deal with me baking while I film this video, so sorry. So, what we're gonna be talking about today is the Morphe Live in Color collection, which I don't think they even sell it anymore online. Being late to usual to everything as always. Love that, so much fun. Okay, let's just open it up. I've already opened it because I took all the bubble wrap and stuff off, but here's what it looks like. I actually think it's really pretty. I think that it's simple, but I think that it is pretty, and the packaging, just the outside, looks very classy and I like it. Okay, let's open it up. So this is the inside of it. I think that this is gorgeous. Like, this is a rainbow palette, you know what I mean? Like, it's just like rainbow, and this is so pretty. I just want to put every shade on, but am I gonna do that? Probably not. And then we have the brushes, which I actually like this little thing that they come in. I think it's super cute. You like open it and they're all there, and they're all like, no, this thing, dude. Okay, Morphe did. Oh, so you can take your, this is so cool. Oh my god. And then you just go dupe, you know, you just take all like the plastic off. Oh, this is sick. I'm throwing that way. And then you go like that. Wait, can you like, wait, hold up. No, I was thinking like, what if you like stood it up like that and had your brushes sticking out, but that just looks stupid. Okay, so taking off all like the plastic. Okay, oops. This one's a hard plastic. Got it. So you get 7 brushes for all your eye needs, but I don't really know. They only gave me like 1 big blending brush. So we're gonna see how far we get with that, and we might. They're a little hard to get out. Oh my god. This is like shiny. I'm loving this. So far, I'm like, yes, girl, like go off. But I was thinking, I feel like I want to mix it up today. So we're gonna go into the shade Sunlight, which is that orange one right there. And we're just gonna, this is big, and this is a big mirror. Like, she's like thick, you know what I mean? But this is a big girl. Okay, you know, we're gonna put the yellow on my inner corner crease area. I think I said that in my last video. And like, after just uploading it just sounds so funny to me. Oh, this yellow. She's pigmented. Oh my god. Ooh, girl. She's like, she's there. And she's like here to be like, hey girl, what's good? You know what I mean? Now we're going into the color called Pride, because I got a lot of pride. Oh my god, I feel like I should say this. If you guys didn't know, I'm a lesbian. I don't really look in. I don't really talk about it that much because I don't really feel that I need to. It's Pride Month. Why do people allow me to have a YouTube channel? I'm literally just stupid. Nails are put out. Ooh. Okay, Pride. One thing about this girl, she is a lot darker than she looks here. Like, she looks like Coralie there, but then you put it on your eyes like dark orange and you're like, what? Ooh, okay, she's pretty. Now we're gonna go into something called Life. It's red. These shades kind of have like some kickback in the pan. Like a good amount of like kickback. I don't know how I should feel about it, but wanted to tell y'all because I always give y'all the real tea. Okay. Ooh, okay, okay. The red is pigmented. Well, we're gonna go into the shade Nature, and we're gonna put that here because I'm really feeling really colorful today. Yeah, this has a lot of kickback, and it's like so I've only been using matte shades, and they all have kickback, and I don't know how to feel. Okay, maybe I'll sit like this so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here's Nature. So she's pretty bright. She took a moment to like get to her full potential, but now it's not really in blues. They really did a rainbow palette and they didn't do a matte blue. Okay, I'm not taking this, so we're gonna go dip into Blue Blood really quick. Now that we have we're gonna take a blue from here because they didn't have a blue from there, and I'm determined not to do a rainbow, so we're gonna take the shade Blue Blood. And now let's go back into the palette that this video was actually on. We're gonna go into the shade Truth. Patchy but pigmented. Does that make sense? I don't really know. I have an idea. So we're gonna do my idea. Duh. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use the brushes in the palette. The one that I used was actually really good at blending. You know, Morphe brushes never really disappoint. They just fray a lot, which is annoying. But we're gonna, oh my god, I should have said what brush that was. Oh, oops. I'm a flop. This brush was the Morphe M513. Looks like this. And this one is the Morphe M326. Looks like that. And we're gonna be using it to like cut my crease. Okay, this brush is doing a really good job so far of making my crease look all nice. Okay, so my crease is set, it's ready to go. And I was thinking, I want to do this the same thing on each eye, but reverse and in glitter. Duh. So for this eye, inner corner area, we're going to be going into the shade Activism. Woo. Girl. Sis. Oh, girl. No. No. Oh my, I'm deceased. Morphe just did that, girl. Oh. Next to that, we're gonna be going to the shade Peace, which is right there. Morphe is really popping off with this one, I'm not gonna lie. So to go next to the blue, I really like this. I think that it looks so dope to me. Purple, a purple shimmer. Now we're gonna be going into 1978, which is right there. And putting it right next to the blue, obviously. Okay. I'm gonna take like a shit ton on my, I have enough. The fallout's real, so I'm gonna take some on like the tip. This isn't sticking down that well. I'm gonna take some setting spray and see what that does for me. Literally, also, I'm sorry that this is a mess. I filmed an Instagram video before this, so sorry. Okay, so now onto this side. So I think I'm gonna go with the shade Healing for the yellow on this video because it looks more yellow compared to Stonewall, which is up there, and Stonewall is absolutely gorgeous, but I think this one just matches the brush around my hand. I don't know, I just think Healing matches the look better, so we're gonna put Healing in the same place we put the green. Okay, so basically the entire clip that you guys just missed of me doing the rest of my eyes were me doing the entire lid of that other eye with shadows from different palettes because the Morphe palette didn't have the colors that I wanted, and I was determined on doing this rainbow look. And yeah, anyways, here's the rest of the video. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm back from putting on lashes, highlight, black lipstick, you know, normal, you know, pretty low-key, subtle look. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I really do. The Morphe palette was really great. I really enjoyed it, and I think it was good. I'm gonna put on setting spray, hold on. So yeah, my face is all set. This side out here's a little wonky, but you know, if you look straight on, it doesn't look that bad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I think the brushes all worked really well. I'm really obsessed with the look. I like the inverted rainbow moment, and I just think it's really pretty. Anyways, that's all I have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my bell for notifications so you know when I upload. Follow all my social medias in the below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.